Hey, hi guys, this is Salim. Once again, welcome to my channel. Guys, hope you're all doing great, guys. And I know that you're all running behind the technologies to learn, and it is very good, guys. Please maintain that and learn technologies a lot more. So, guys, today in this video, I am going to tell you about a brief intro regarding the data science, guys, like what actually the data science is and how the data science is related to real world applications or the projects, and what are the companies that are using data science. And the main thing is the roadmap to learn data science, guys. How we have to approach in order to learn data science, everything. So guys, I know you are all eager to learn data science and also to know about data science, really to say. And one thing, guys, I'm going to tell you a keyword which you have to remember, and I'm going to tell why you have to remember that, because in the moving ahead, I'm going to explain you a data science by relating an example. So that keyword which I am going to tell you will be going to helpful for you in order to understand really what actually data science is. So remember the word e-commerce, guys. E-commerce. Keep it in mind, and let's get started, guys. So what actually data science is, guys? So here, if you see the terminology data science, you can understand easily that everything is going to be revolve around the data, which means the entire game is going to play behind the data or around the data. Today we know the data is very important, guys, because everything is really depends upon the data. Like in our day-to-day life, we are going to see many applications. We are going to submit, or we are going to fill many forms, whatever might be. So entire the thing is data. Everything is going to be collect the data of a user, and by using that data, we are going to analyze, or we are going to predict the interests of a customer or a user for its future purpose. So um let us consider example. So as I told, the keyword e-commerce. So we do search many items in the e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or Myntra, right? So whatever the keywords, or whatever the items we search, uh, the entire search concept is going to be reflect to the other social media. Like guys, if you search an item in the Amazon, now when you went to the YouTube for a streaming, you are going to see the Google ads which are related to the such item what you have searched in the Amazon or something e-commerce site, isn't it, guys? The similarly, when you move to the Google Chrome also, you're going to see the Google ads which are related to the search what you have searched in the e-commerce, or uh, I mean some of the social media platforms. So which means uh, they are storing the data, and by using that data they are predicting the interest of a user in a future purpose. Which means if you search a mobile, then they are showing the Google ads of related to mobile, which means they predicting that user is interested in mobile, like that, guys. Now let us see what actually data science really defines. So a data science is the study of data where we can store, organize, or analyze the data effectively in terms of future aspect, guys. So as I told you now, the data what we have giving at present will be used for the future purpose. Like you can consider the e-commerce example. And the main goal of data science is to get all the information or the knowledge regarding data efficiently, guys. So the data may be two ways, that is structured or unstructured data. So structured data means you can consider RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, and you can consider unstructured data like NoSQL, you can say, uh, that is MongoDB, you can consider, guys. So uh, many web applications can be done effectively using structured data, guys. Structured data. Unstructured data, you can consider example like Facebook. Because why Facebook is unstructured data? Because Facebook has many more tree structures. Like there are different, I mean different categories, guys, in Facebook. We are going to see like videos we can upload, we can post our stories, or we can go on live, I mean we can make a marketing or the business. There are many things. So for all these the structured data is not going to be helpful, guys. So unstructured data, we can store a large amount of data. There is no a single path or a single flow we have to go. That is why Facebook is very popular. And in order to maintain all this, the mathematics plays a very important, guys. Because in data science, everything is in order to predict, guys. So it is very hard to predict by taking the present data to the future, guys. It's not very easy, guys. Like if you can take a real example, like we are humans today. Let us consider that we have eat 500 kilocalories. It is not the same like we are going to repeat this 500 kilocalories in the next day, right? So we may eat 1000 kilocalories. So we humans are not able to predict exactly what we are going to do tomorrow. Then how can the machine does, guys? So everything is going to be make trial and error. So in order to make that, the relevant concept in a mathematics is like probability statistics. These are going to help us in order to predict the future aspect, guys. And the concepts like linear algebra, calculus, trigonometry, all these are actually used in data science for the predictions. And the main thing is the approach to study data science, guys. So firstly, I prefer you go with the programming languages like Python, or so I prefer Python because there are many built-in functions and the libraries and packages available. And IDE, as usual, you can go with like Jupyter, Spider, and machine learning. Next, deep learning, mathematics, data analysis, data visualization, web scraping. I suggest you guys like the one is you can go with the mathematics, then go with the data science concept, or else you can go with the data science concept. In between, you are going to get mathematics concept, so you can go. I mean, you can deviate your path to mathematics, learn, and then come and continue with the data science concept. Either that or this. Anything is going to be considered, guys. You can go on with your own way. So like programming languages, as I say, Python, which is very preferable, and R. Next, the mathematics concepts like linear algebra, calculus, trigonometry, and machine learning concepts, classification, regression, reinforcement, dimensionality, reduction, clustering. And the machine learning, uh, as I have already started, guys, so you can watch my videos, machine learning. And next, the deep learning. Next, data analysis, FE, data wrangling, EDI. Here, the data analysis, like you're going to analyze the data, guys. Like the entire given data, you're going to, I mean, understand the data. For that, these are the tools you're going to use: data wrangling, everything. And next, data visualization. Whatever you understand, you're going to visualize the data in a pictorial format. For that, you're going to use the tools like Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And there are many more, guys. Next, web scraping. Web scraping is nothing but like you're going to get the information from the web related, like web content. For that, you're going to use Beautiful Soap, Scrappy, URL, lib. So these are the basic requirements that are needed for data science in order to learn. And applications of data science, like data science nowadays, it is using in many guys, like many ways, like fraud and risk detection, healthcare, speech recognition, internet search, website recommendation. In healthcare, nowadays machine learning or data science applications are using tremendous, guys, like to find the diseases, or by using the current disease, what might be the scenario of that disease in the future, like that. Internet search, as I told, e-commerce website, when we search something, it is store the data, and it is going to be use predictions and give user the relevant ads or something, like the user is entirely interested on this type of relevant area. And website recommendations, the companies that are using data science, like Facebook, Google, IBM, Microsoft, Accenture, Wipro, JP Morgan, and there are many more, guys, many more, like Mu Sigma too. There are many companies that are using data science, because data science has a huge demand, and future also entirely depends on data science, because without data nothing is there. So the data is very important. So these are the some list of applications and also the companies that are using data science. So this is all about a brief intro to data science, guys. Hope you all like this video, and you all get a brief scenario or the information regarding data science. So you can follow me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile, and also you can email me to my email ID if you have any queries. So guys, hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.